It takes just minutes on a winter road to coat a pristine vehicle in dense gray slush and heavy white road salt. This diagram illustrates the rust triangle. When road salt and slush combine with freezing temperatures, they create a highly corrosive environment. At the center, you can see how that mixture actively eats through your clear coat, exposing bare metal and breaking it down into rust. Today, we are going to break that triangle. I will walk you through a specific, proven method to safely wash away this corrosive buildup and lock in a protective barrier, all without freezing your car door shut in the process. Winter car washing serves a specific mechanical purpose. It is a mandatory structural defense mechanism required to stop the salt from permanently decaying your exterior metal. Step 1 happens before you ever pick up a hose. You must wait for a day when the outside temperature is above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or 0 degrees Celsius. Ideally, you want to wash at midday, while the sun is out to help keep the surface temperature stable. Gather your wash supplies, and make sure any water you plan to use is lukewarm. Do not use hot water. Pouring hot water over a freezing vehicle is a direct path to shattering your automotive glass. Looking at this cross-section of a frozen windshield, you can see exactly why. This is thermal shock. The sudden, extreme shift in temperature causes the molecular structure of the glass to expand so rapidly that it instantly fractures into spiderweb cracks. Strictly controlling your wash environment and sticking to lukewarm water is the only safe way to transition your vehicle from a frozen state to a clean state. We begin the wash process at the lowest points of the vehicle, the wheels. You'll want to apply a dedicated wheel acid or a heavy-duty wheel cleaner directly to the surface. Pre-treating the wheel faces and the inner barrels is necessary because these areas absorb the highest concentration of mineral-based road salt and chemical de-icers from the asphalt. Once the wheels are treated, move immediately to the undercarriage. Because it faces the road directly, the chassis is the most vulnerable component of the rust triangle. Aggressively flush out the wheel wells and spray down the entire chassis using an undercarriage pressure washer attachment, or simply an angled hose nozzle. Watch the runoff pooling beneath the vehicle. When you see brown, milky water washing out from underneath the car, you have visual verification that the hidden salt deposits are being successfully purged. Eliminating this hidden salt removes the catalyst for structural corrosion, stopping winter weather from ruining your vehicle from the inside out. Now that the heavy mineral deposits are cleared from the bottom, cover the entire painted surface of the vehicle in a pH-balanced foam pre-wash. Let it sit and dwell. This allows the soap to lift the abrasive salt away from the paint without requiring you to physically scrub it. Never use stiff snow brushes or metal ice scrapers to forcefully push winter grime off of your paint. Freezing temperatures cause a car's protective clear coat to become brittle. Dragging abrasive tools across a cold, brittle surface guarantees deep, permanent scratches. After letting the foam dwell for a few minutes, thoroughly rinse the vehicle, allowing water to carry the heaviest salt deposits safely off the panels. With the heavy abrasives gone, you can begin the contact wash. Work panel by panel, from the top of the vehicle down to the bottom, using a rinseless wash solution or winter-safe shampoo and a clean microfiber mitt. You know you've succeeded when the paint feels entirely smooth to the touch, and there is zero white salt residue left on the surface. Following this strict touchless to contact sequence separates the abrasive grime from your cold, brittle paint, ensuring you avoid winter-induced swirl marks. The wash is complete, but leaving the vehicle wet in cold weather will cause immediate problems. You must dry the car right away using a large, plush microfiber drying towel. The most common failure point of a winter wash is simply walking away and allowing the vehicle to air dry. As the temperature drops back below freezing, any standing water left on the car will form hard water spots, freeze your lock solid, and ice your door handle shut. To prevent this, open all the doors. Take a dry microfiber towel and aggressively wipe down the hidden areas where water pools, the inner door cams, the rubber weather seals, and the lock cylinders. This strategic drying process ensures your freshly cleaned car does not turn into an inaccessible block of ice overnight. Now you have a perfectly clean, dry winter car, which means the paint is fully exposed. You need to apply a winter barrier immediately. Grab a spray sealant, a ceramic spray, or a high-quality spray wax, and apply it directly to the paintwork to build a hydrophobic layer. This diagram shows how the hydrophobic layer works. By altering surface tension, water and salt molecules beat up and bounce away, unable to stick. Panning to the rubber weather seals, silicone particles from a trim shine penetrate the rubber, moisturizing the material to keep it conditioned and prevent cracking. You can verify your protection layer right away. Mist a little water onto the treated paint. If it instantly beads up and rolls off, your barrier is active. Creating this seal alters the surface tension of your vehicle, ensuring that the slush from the next snowstorm cannot anchor itself to your exterior. Take a look at the final result. You have a completely decontaminated exterior, a salt-free undercarriage, and a fully sealed paint layer. And because you took the time to manually dry the door jambs and rubber seals, you have the guarantee that your car will be fully accessible, free of ice, and ready to drive tomorrow morning. To maintain this protection throughout the season, you need to follow the 10-day rule. Every 10 to 14 days, or immediately after a heavy snowstorm, repeat this exact wash cycle to clear off fresh accumulation and keep your hydrophobic barrier active. Consistent, strategic winter washing turns a season of guaranteed corrosion into a highly manageable cycle of vehicle protection, preserving your vehicle's mechanics, its paint, and its long-term value.